you ready to have your mind blown by some seriously cool tech gadgets? Well, get ready, because today we're uncovering 5 high-tech Amazon gadgets that are going to change your life in 2024. Let's dive in. Gadget number 1. Ring Alarm 8-piece kit, 2nd gen. Imagine having a home security system that doesn't just keep you safe, but also makes you feel like you live in a futuristic fortress. That's exactly what the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit, 2nd gen, does. This awesome security kit comes with a base station, keypad, 4 contact sensors for doors and windows, a motion detector, a range extender, and even a video doorbell. It's like getting an entire home security squad delivered right to your door. But here's the best part. Setting it up is super easy, even for total tech novices. No more complicated installations or head-scratching instructions. Just plug and play security, and you can expand it with more sensors to build your own customized security empire. And if an intruder dares enter your domain, the siren will sound like a superhero making an epic entrance. You can even control the whole system from your smartphone or smart speaker. How cool is that? The Ring app lets you see what's happening at home, no matter where you are with HD video streaming. Now you're probably wondering how much this high-tech haven will cost you. Get ready for this. Just $250 for the whole kit and caboodle, plus only $10 a month for 24/7 professional monitoring with police dispatch if needed. That's a small price to pay for total peace of mind. Gadget number 2. Amazon Echo Show 10, 3rd gen. Have you ever wished your smart speaker could be more like a personal video chat companion? Well, your wish is granted with the Amazon Echo Show 10, 3rd gen. This gadget is the total showstopper with its 10-inch HD screen, 13MP camera, which is a smart camera superhero, and a base that swivels and turns like a professional dancer. It quite literally tracks your every move during video calls to keep you center stage. No more huddling together or being out of view. The Echo Show moves with you automatically. It's perfect for hands-free video chatting while you work in the kitchen, exercise, or just lounge around. You can even capture selfies or make video calls with a simple voice command. But video chatting is just the start. The Echo Show 10 is also your very own DJ, digital assistant, and controller for all your smart home devices. Just ask Alexa to play your favorite tunes, manage your daily tasks, or control the lights and thermostat. It's like having a tech genius personal assistant. You can even watch recipe videos or catch up on the news while the Echo Show displays it all in crisp, vibrant quality. And get this, it can also stream live video feeds from your security cameras directly on the screen. Talk about a multi-talented machine. Sure, the Echo Show 10 is a bit pricey and takes up some counter space, but with sound quality that rivals a concert hall, a rotating screen to follow you, and so many talented tricks up its sleeve, it's worth it to have this digital valet at your beck and call. Gadget number 3. Megatron. Imagine wielding the power of the legendary Decepticon leader Megatron in your own hands. Roboson's Megatron figure brings this iconic Transformers villain to life with incredible articulation and unparalleled authenticity. Standing over 19 inches tall in robot mode, Megatron cuts an imposing figure with his menacing visage and formidable fusion cannon. But the real magic happens when you activate his seamless transformation sequence with just a few taps on the companion app. Watch in awe as the leader of the Decepticons shifts and converts from robot to tank mode with astounding fluidity. And this isn't just a static display piece. Megatron is packed with advanced robotics that allows him to walk, gesture, and even fire projectile effects from his fusion cannon. You can control his movements directly through the app, programming him to execute epic battle sequences or deliver chilling monologues in his thunderous voice. But the immersion doesn't stop there. Thanks to Roboson's cutting-edge speech recognition, you can literally engage in two-way conversations with the mighty Megatron. He'll respond to your voice commands with authentic character responses, turning every interaction into an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a die-hard Transformers fan or simply an admirer of technological marvels, Megatron is a must-have addition to your collection. With its uncompromising authenticity, advanced robotics, and engaging interactivity, this figure represents the pinnacle of what's possible when iconic pop culture characters are brought into the real world. Prepare to kneel before the glory of Megatrend, a technological triumph that will leave you in awe and hungry for more from the boundless imagination of Roboson's engineers. Gadget number 4. Echo Frames 2nd Gen. We all know glasses help us see better. But what if they could also summon a virtual assistant at your beck and call? Well, that's exactly what the Echo Frame 2nd Generation allows you to do. These smart glasses are like something straight out of a spy movie. With the press of a button, you can ask Alexa to play music, control smart home devices, or even get your robot vacuum cleaned. All hands-free and voice-controlled through your frames. But the Echo Frames aren't just highly functional, they're also highly fashionable. Choose from the classic black, blue horizon, or modern tortoiseshell colors to let your inner techie model shine through. And they're compatible with prescription lenses too, so you can keep that 20/20 vision. Don't worry about these frames tapping out on you either. They have a super impressive 14-hour battery life to keep up with your day or night. Plus water and splash resistance. They'll always be your trusty tech sidekick. Imagine being able to take calls, set reminders, and control your smart home just by asking for your glasses. The Echo Frames make you feel like a secret agent living in the future, and they're so stylish that no one will even realize the hidden tech powers you possess. It's the ultimate blend of smart capabilities and understated cool. Gadget number 5. Amazon Echo Studio. All right, music lovers, prepare to have your audio world completely rocked by the Amazon Echo Studio. This isn't just a smart speaker, it's an entire sound revolution. With a price tag of around $155, the Echo Studio packs in a mind-blowing amount of audio power. We're talking about 5 strategically placed speakers that deliver enveloping, cinema-quality 3D audio. The bass hits with such force, you'll feel it down to your core. But this sonic marvel isn't just muscles, it's got a brain too. Advanced technology analyzes the acoustics of your room for optimized sound distribution, and it supports the incredible Dolby Atmos technology to create multiple sound layers that fully immerse you in the audio experience. For the ultimate experience, pair 2 Echo Studios together or connect one to your Fire TV for surround sound so powerful and immersive, it will make your neighbors jealous. With a custom amplifier, huge woofer, and dedicated tweeters, this is no ordinary speaker. It's an entire home audio revolution. You can even take advantage of the Echo Studio's smart sound processing to automatically tune audio to whatever you're listening to. Watch a movie, and it will create that cinematic, multi-dimensional sound. Play a video game, and it will optimize for an immersive gaming experience. Stream music, and it will fill the room with rich, nuanced audio. This speaker literally analyzes and adapts to deliver the perfect 3D audio every time. So there you have it. 5 high-tech Amazon gadgets guaranteed to make your life in 2024 feel like you're living in the future. Which of these amazing gadgets are you rushing to order first? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more mind-blowing tech reveals coming your way.